Today I will show you my new desktop application for the random still generator. This is available for now Windows OS only and later will be available on Mac also. So after you download from my Patreon page here this Windows zip file and extract it, you will get these two files. One is icon and the one is exe file. We'll double click to launch this random still generator. And as you can see, I have here a beautiful, nice graphical user interface for this app. I have added some themes like midnight blue, the default dark, the deep purple, forest green, and also a video file selection. Like you can select this example video here. If I play this one, and in the output folder it will automatically detect it and it will extract same as the file selected, but you can change it by clicking here and select your destination also. And also I can choose the number of stills. For now I want 10. I can increase or decrease it if I want it. And also the format, JPEG, PNG or web. And also the quality, I can choose from 10% to 100% for full quality. And also the percentage of video that can, if the start time is 0 and the end is 100, it will take the whole video as 100% and take and extract the frames out of it. But if I somehow decrease the end like the 90% and from the start like the 10%, then it will ignore the start 10% portion of a video and the end 10% of a video. So it will ignore these portions and extract it between still frame in the between, like from 90% and from 10 to 90. But for now I will select it from 0 to 100. And I can resize the extracted frame along the width by the factor of pixels, value of pixel. And also I have a randomization seed, so each time you generate the still, you can just click generate still and change the random seed and generate still. Or if you uncheck the use custom seed, you can still generate random frames, but it will like use your system time, like the current time and second you have on your system or clock running. So like also the random value, but I will use this custom sealed and by default it's checked and true. And now I will click on the generate still. So as you can see, the extracted still folder is created, and if I check this dialog box, they successfully extracted 10 stunning still frames, stills, save to see. If somehow you don't know the output location, you can double click on this path. So you can copy the path, like copy, and you can paste in your file explorer system path, like control V to paste it. But I know my folder location, so I will not copy it. And in the here in the status bar, you will also see the information that done 10 images generated. If somehow some error occurred, you will also see the dialog box and also the in the status. Right now I will show you the frames, and these are the 10 frames generated also. Oh, like these are my 10 frames generated, and which is random, like 8, 15, 17, 32, 57, 60, 63, and you can also see the frame numbers as well. And if I click on it and cycle through, as you can see, these all are random generated. And I can still, if I click on generate still, and these are the still same numbers because we are using the same still series. If I click on again, the numbers are still the same. But if I somehow change the custom seed like 1 to 2, and if I click on it, now I have a different frames. And if I select all, as you can see, now we have 20, like 10 from the seed 1 and 10 from the seed 2. And that's how you can use this mini desktop app. And we have also put the button for the support on Patreon page. You can support some low tiers to support our upcoming applications, add-ons, and some resources and tools. And you can also custom request a custom desktop application or tool or any asset. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.